Today I'm sharing 4 of my Holy Grail beauty products that I feel have made a big difference in my over 50, over 60, very mature skin. That's coming up next. Welcome back, I'm Kimberly. This is Pretty Over 50, where we talk everything makeup, skincare, and style for the over 50 woman. Today I'm sharing my Holy Grail products with you, the products that I think have made a tremendous difference in my anti-aging program. And the additional thing is these are products that I don't think you can replace anywhere else, at least not right now. They're unique, they're special, and they've done a tremendous amount, I feel, in my anti-aging journey. If you're new here, a very special welcome to you. I hope you'll consider subscribing and make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you're interested in more makeup, skincare, and style for the over 50 woman, stop by prettyover50.com. There's a lot more great information just waiting for you there. You have probably said to yourself in the past, I just want to know what works. Just tell me what works. And that's what I'll be talking about today. In addition, I wanted to do this video now because several of the products I'll be talking about are very, very timely, and you'll see why as we get into the video. As always, all the products that I mentioned today will be listed and linked below, and they'll also be over on the blog, so super easy for you to find. And with that, let's get into it. As many of you know, I started on this anti-aging skincare journey a little more than a year ago after a lifetime of neglecting my skin. I had been traveling full-time for over 2 years, came home, looked in the mirror, and while I'd only been gone 2 years, my face looked like it had aged 10 years or more. I decided at that point to start an anti-aging skincare journey to see if I could really make an impact on my over 50, actually over 60, I'm 63-year-old skin. I didn't know if it was going to work, but the results have been really, really good. What I'm sharing with you today are the unique, special products that are my holy grails. And what I mean by that is if I had to clutch on to a few products that I would not want to let go of, those are the ones I'm going to be sharing with you today. I think they've each made a tremendous difference in my skincare journey. The first product I want to talk about is not only a holy grail for me, but anyone who is serious about an anti-aging skincare regimen, and that is retinoic acid, or tretinoin. The product that I'm currently using and loving to get my tretinoin is Curology, and if you guys are familiar with my channel, you know how much I love not only this product, but this company. And I'm excited to say that Curology is sponsoring this portion of the video. I was so tickled when Curology reached out to me. They have been one of my loves for quite a long time. I had no idea they knew who I was, but I'm very, very happy to be talking about Curology with you today. I love Curology for a couple of reasons. And you guys know I don't like a hassle. I like things to move along smoothly. What I noticed when I first signed up for Curology is how smooth the process was. They probably have one of the best customer experiences that I've ever gone through in a long, long time. They really do it right. Curology is an online prescription service where you can get your tretinoin sent directly to your house. It's brilliant. Here's how it went for me. I went onto the website, signed up, and they ask you a few questions along the way, which were easy to do. The next thing you do is you upload a photo of your face with no makeup on, and the licensed practitioner reviews your files, looks at your photos, and puts together a formula specifically for your particular skin. In the questionnaire, they asked me what my concerns are, and we all know what that is: fine lines, wrinkles, and anti-aging. When they formulated my Curology prescription, I was thrilled. Mine is currently niacinamide 4%. You guys know niacinamide is one of my favorite skincare ingredients. Tretinoin at 14%, and that's super high, so don't think that it's for everyone. My skin just is not sensitive. I can tolerate a lot. And also azelaic acid, which I'm thrilled about, for 5%. So this little formula right here includes a lot of my favorite skincare ingredients, as well as the tretinoin, which we all know is the holy grail gold standard for anti-aging. It is the most studied ingredient with 40 years of studies going back decades that have proved that tretinoin really does work for fine lines and wrinkles. It accelerates collagen production, which we need as older women. It thickens your skin, brightens your skin, and really helps with age spots. So I am tickled that I could get such a comprehensive formula so easy sent to my house at such a bargain price. It is so affordable. I pay $20 a month for my Curology prescription, and I think that is an incredible deal. Given that Curology is one of my very, very favorite companies, and they were one of my favorite companies before they ever contacted me, it gets even better. You can actually order your Curology prescription with a moisturizer and a cleanser to go along with it. If you're one of those gals who just wants it easy and you don't want to have to make a lot of decisions, this is the option for you. Your subscription would come in a little box like this. It comes all in this little box. The only thing you would need to add is sunscreen. They really, really do a great job at Curology. And it still keeps getting better. They are Bunny certified, come with a money-back guarantee, and you can get your first month for free. You just pay for shipping and handling, and I'll go ahead and put a link for that right down below. Without a doubt, for me, Curology is one of my holy grail beauty products, and I'm loving the fact that they're even around and do such a great job. Thank you, Curology, for sponsoring this portion of the video. I'm really thrilled to be able to share this information. The next product I want to talk about is my beloved NuFace, and if you are familiar with my channel, you'll know how much I love my little NuFace device. This is my little NuFace Mini, and I purchased this about 2 months into my anti-aging skincare journey, and I absolutely love it. I can tell you that this has done more to make my face look more lifted than anything else I've ever done. And I know that for sure because every time I slack off and don't do my NuFace regularly, oh my gosh, I get a jowl issue and my face starts sagging. I can really tell. It just cracked me up. One of you guys left a comment on one of my NuFace routine videos, and I'll go ahead and link a couple of the NuFace videos I've done up here if you want to find out more. But what you said is that when you don't use it, you get really bad jowls, and I do too. It's exactly what happens to me. Now, I have jowls anyway, but when I don't use my NuFace device, oh my gosh, they're so much more apparent. This has been a little lifesaver. What the NuFace does is it's a microcurrent device and you run it over your skin. You can't feel it, it doesn't hurt. What it does is it actually exercises the muscles or stimulates the muscles in your face, so it kind of gives you a little facelift. Now keep in mind when I say facelift, it's not dramatic like that. It's very subtle. And most likely as you're working through getting your face used to the NuFace, in the first month, you're not going to notice much. What happens over time, though, is that it continues to tighten and lift your face. It makes a really big difference. I know when I don't use it, my eyes start sagging, my jowls start showing up, my neck starts looking worse. Things just really go south quickly. Here's why I want to talk about the NuFace device right now. The Nordstrom's anniversary sale always runs the NuFace device in that sale, and they have both the Mini and the Trinity in the sale for 2020. I looked at both of them, and I think personally, based on my experience, the sale that they're having on the Trinity is the best one. What they have with the Mini is it's still around $200, and they have another little device that they came out with that I've never seen anybody really rave about that one, so I don't really know that that's such a good deal. But they are selling the Trinity, which is the bigger model with the removable heads that you can buy attachments for about the same price as you can pick up the Mini. So in my mind, that's a good deal. The Nordstrom sale runs until the end of August, so if you've been sitting on the fence thinking about getting a NuFace device, this might be a good time. Go over and check it out and see if it really works for you. I'll have a link to the one that I think is the best deal down below, and you can take a look. Absolutely, the NuFace device is one of my holy grail beauty products. Before I talk about the next product, I'm going to tell you a little story. A few weeks back, I was on YouTube looking at videos about boosting your immune system because apparently having a good immune system these days is pretty doggone important. So I was watching videos along that line and I came across a video by a doctor by the name of Zach Bush. I started watching it and I was so touched and impacted by what Zach Bush had to say. I actually started crying, and I'm not a crier at all. What he was talking about was such a beautiful description of an earth that is really in balance, where we as humans can live on the earth, eat from the earth, and really nurture each other. It was such a beautiful vision that it really struck a chord in me, and I became an immediate fan of his and started watching more of his videos. Here comes the kicker. It turns out that Zach Bush, the guy who made me cry, is the guy that made Restore, one of my absolute favorite products, and I had no idea. I actually found out about Restore, and this is a nutritional supplement from a nutritionist I had met when I was living in Montana. She was kind of a big deal. I talked to her about my weight, and she looked at me and she said, "Honey, it's not your weight, it's leaky gut." What she said is I wasn't fat, I was inflamed or had a lot of water weight and retention and inflammation from my diet and what's in the foods these days. I asked her, what should I do? And she said, eat organic and take Restore. And I said, what's Restore? She gave me a link and I just went ahead and bought it. What happened when I started taking Restore, it was truly miraculous. I was so shocked and so surprised. So let me show you what my face looked like before I started taking Restore, and then go ahead and take a look at my face now. Isn't that a huge difference? I was so puffy and so bloated, and I thought I was fat, and I couldn't figure out why I was gaining weight or looked like I was gaining weight. It just turned out that I had something called leaky gut, which I hate the name of leaky gut, but there we are. And I just had a lot of inflammation system-wide throughout my body. I started taking Restore, and one of the things that will happen if you start taking this, at least this happened for me, is I had to go to the bathroom every 3 seconds because my body was letting go of so much fluid that had been retaining with that inflammation. I really became super convinced of how much Restore was doing for me physically and for my looks. When I ran out of it, when this whole kerfluffle thing started at the beginning of the year, I got lazy and I didn't reorder it. About 3 weeks into not taking Restore, I looked in the mirror and oh my gosh, the bags under my eyes were tremendous and they were starting to hang down over my cheeks. I mean, it was really quite dramatic and such a significant difference. The bags were literally folding over my cheek and I was just so puffy. I got back onto Restore about 4 weeks later. My face was looking healthy again. I used to buy the small bottle of Restore. Now I buy the big bottle. I take about a teaspoon twice a day. I used to take just 1 teaspoon a day in the morning with my coffee, but with all the talk about immune system and really being healthy, I've really upped it. So I'm taking about 2 teaspoons a day. What I do now is I buy the big bottle and then I pour a little bit into the smaller bottle, and this is what I keep in my cupboard near my coffee. Even if you have no interest in nutritional supplements, and that's fine with me, I really suggest that you watch at least one interview with Zach Bush. He is a brilliant man and talks so sensibly and so profoundly about how we can be so healthy here on the earth. Truly, it's one of the most moving interviews I've ever seen, and I'll go ahead and put a link for Zach Bush's interview down below, the one that really brought me to tears. And if you're interested, you can just search for him here on YouTube. He has lots and lots of videos. So absolutely, Restore is one of my holy grail beauty products. It has done so much for me and I'm very, very grateful to have found. The last product I want to share today is from one of my absolute favorite skincare companies. It is the AHA BHA solution from The Ordinary. This has done such a tremendous amount to make my over 50, over 60, really ruddy, really rough, really aged skin look so much better. One of the things that I could say that I have learned in my skincare journey is the importance of exfoliation when you're very first starting. Because my lifetime of neglect of my skin just built up almost a thick callousy layer of old dead skin cells. Really, it was so ruddy and so rough. And if you're interested in seeing what my skin looked like before I started on a good skincare regimen, just go back over the channel, scroll all the way down to the bottom and watch one of the very first videos that I did. You'll see the difference in my skin and the freshness and brightness of my skin between then and now. One of the products that has really helped me do that is this AHA/BHA solution from The Ordinary. The reason it's such a holy grail for me is it works exceptionally well and it is incredibly affordable. This comes in at under $10, usually around $7 or $8, depending on where you buy it. I have seen exfoliating solutions like this for almost $100, which I think is way overpriced when you can get such an extraordinarily effective, affordable solution in this AHA/BHA solution from The Ordinary. This has done more to freshen up my skin, remove all the old dead callousy skin cells, and really brighten up my complexion. I wish that I had just done this, washed my face, moisturized, and used sunscreen for at least the first month or two of my skincare routine, because I think a lot of the products that I was putting on my skin weren't even getting in because they couldn't. There was so much old dead skin buildup there. So if I had to do it over again, I would just use this during the first couple of months while I was washing my face regularly, moisturizing, and using my sunscreen. Now, one thing I want to say about this particular solution is if you have sensitive skin, this is not going to be for you. You're going to want to use a milder exfoliation process than this. But if you have normal to regular skin, this is a great option. You might want to still make sure you do a little patch test before you use it. I still use this once or twice a week, and I'll put it on for about 7 or 8 minutes, just rinse my face off, and my skin is so beautifully smooth afterwards. In my mind, this is one of the most important ingredients in my skincare routine, and it's done wonders for getting my skin to a brighter and fresher place. So the AHA/BHA solution from The Ordinary, absolutely one of my holy grails. This was so much fun to do. I know how important it is to find out what really works, and I can say from my experience, every single one of these products has really, really worked for me. Again, I want to thank Curology for sponsoring a portion of my video. I am tickled pink to be working with you. It's kind of a dream come true for me, so thank you again. I hope you found this useful and helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you're interested in more makeup, skincare, and style for the over 50 woman, stop by prettyover50.com. There's a lot more great information just waiting for you there. You guys know it just tickles me when you take a few minutes out of your day to spend it with me. I appreciate that, and I appreciate you. Again, I'm Kimberly. This is Pretty Over 50, where we talk everything makeup, skincare, and style for the over 50 woman. Make it a great day. Wear your sunscreen and all. See you in the next video. Bye now.